Okay, so we need to run this upgradation. Okay, why? Because sometimes, right, when we are installing the these plugins from this, right, sometimes there might be some DBT they may update in the plugins. So what we need to do after after installing adapters, you can upgrade using the below command. Okay, so I think I have pasted here. Yeah, so I have just given you the one example. So similarly you need to install as it is. Similarly you have to install as it is. Just execute this one so that it will upgrade again. Okay, for example, I'll run now. Just check. Okay, okay, now you see I'm just trying to upgrade. Okay, now just check version. Yeah. Generally yesterday I have upgraded, so you can see same. Okay, so generally you can find all this 1.841 and then the latest version. See, installed version this one and the latest also same. Okay, so like this you can upgrade all the DBT core. Okay, similarly here also there is a install core only. Okay, so if you are building a tool that integrates with the DBT core, you may want to install the core libraries alone without adapter. Okay, now that you won't be able to use the DBT as a vessel. Generally you can if you want to install this one you can install, otherwise generally you don't require. Okay, uh, maybe just I was one doubt what I have here is, okay, um, I'm not able to recall which command I have used, run dbt core or install dbt, but you just try this one. Otherwise if it is failed, let me know. I will give you the I will just check and give you the command. I'm not able to find that website also here to confirm. I don't know, because yesterday I have seen many things. Uh, one second, one second. Hmm. Hmm. Even this is DBT core. Okay. Pip install DBT core. Change the DBT version. Okay. So if you want to update, okay. So because I told you, right, versions, if you want latest version, okay, then step 6 what you need to do, change your version of dbt core. Okay, to do that simple same command, you can use this command to execute. Just copy paste this command so that automatically it will take care. And here we have a, okay. Hmm. So no, in case if you want to execute entire one at once, then you can use like this. I tried this one. Okay, but this install dbt core, dbt postgres and all what I tried. Okay, so what happened, so we need to give one by one, but in command prompt when I executed it has taken only one. Okay, but it didn't work for me. But what you need to do, directly you can use pip install, okay, dbt core, and pip install dbt postgres, like this one by one also you can execute so that it will install. So once you done this installation, as I told you, right, so these folders will be created. If you see one by one what you need to do, so install, once you install it is not done at all. Okay, again you have to check each and every folder. Okay, what is the analyze folder, what is the macros, what is the model, what is the, this is very important for a basic things. Okay, even each developer, whether you are a fresher, whether you are a experienced, it does not matter that. If you want to become expert, then you have to look everything. That is what you and me, the difference, because we have a experience, guys, we know where to check. You don't know what all the things you need to take care. So when we are explaining, you have to listen carefully so that in future when you enter, right, it is useful for you guys. Definitely, whenever you are installing any software, you need to look entire things, where the folder got installed, where the software got installed, and what folder created. Everything you have to look. Then only you can easily understand, and you can, even if something happened also, your repository and where it is creating, everything you can find all the details very easily, and that will help you in real time when once you enter into IT. Okay, so this analyze, you will have a some file got, okay, git keep. Always all files are having with the dot git. Okay, so this is 0 kb file, it means it is empty. Okay, and macros, here also you have a same git keep file, and it is also 0 kb. Okay, and then models, under model you have a example folder, under example you have a simple one, two SQL files, one YML source file. Okay, so what is this means? So if you open this, right, you can see the query. Okay, now you see, welcome to the first DBT model. Did you know that you can also configure model directly within SQL files? This will overwrite configuration stated in DBT YML. Try changing table to view below. Okay. So whenever you are writing a query, you can give a comment like this. Okay. So you are writing you are creating one query called stage customer, for example. That stage customer has some logic. Okay, and if someone wants to understand before analyzing the query, you can give a comment like this, just as forward slash star, and give us some statement. Okay, in this query we are performing this logic, and this logic is useful, this one, and these logics are, you know, added here, and this is the useful of this logic. So you can write some business statement here. Okay, and then you can write a query with, okay, this is the source data and the respective select columns and all. Then what will happen if a new developer or new resource, when he joined in your team, right? So when he opened the particular SQL, he, by reading this itself, he will understand, okay, what is the query usage. So that is very important actually. Okay, so in real time, what we do, we will write a queries like this, we will update a command. Okay, so in case I have developed something, and then again there is a change in this query, you can write a comment saying that, okay, modified by, okay, modified by Raghu. Okay, and modified date, some today date 2024 hyphen 07 hyphen 23, and changes, what changes you have done. Okay, added the new column in existing query, and then column name, what column you have added, something like this you can, so that here, and next after 1 year if someone again modified, then again modified by, okay, you can give like this, so that if we can track everything in this query, what are the columns, when this was changed, everything. So this comment also very useful. So by seeing this comment itself, we can understand what is the purpose of this query is created. Okay, so this is all the things are, you know, you have to take care. Okay, so here they have created, by default it is created. Okay, we have not created, but going forward when we create it, then yes, we will do as it is same. Hmm? Okay. So second DBT model. This is SQL file, but here in DBT we called as a models. Okay. So every query we need to write like this. Hmm. So my first model, see, select star from, okay, and flower brackets reference of, you see here, my first DBT model, close button, use the reference function select from other model. So you can write this like this also. It means you can call query from another query. This is nothing but it is a join. Okay. So this DBT model here you have, right? This query we are executing under this. So if you execute this model, right, what will happen? By default, it will run and it will display the data. If you run this query, the data, whatever the data present in this table, you can find entire data. Okay, that also we will practice. I will show you. And here you see here he is added only just where condition ID equal to 1. So it is like a inner query. See how model they have created everything. So this is everything runs with the queries only. Okay, and whenever if you want to utilize any other model inside another query, then we can use like this. So in query environment, if I want to say, this is just subquery concept, and this is YML file, a source file. Everything you need to open and understand. See version 1 model. Okay, name, my first DBT model, description, a starter DBT model, column, name ID, description, the primary key for this table, data set unique, not null, name, my second DBT. What is the use of these things? I will tell you in the next classes. Okay, so first you need to understand this. Okay, what are the files we have, what are the folders we have, everything you need to understand. Okay, okay, I created this here. Okay, everything installation is done. Hmm. Now entire installation is done, and here you have a DBT project folder. Okay, so just open this and understand what file, what values you will be having here. Name, everything you need to read before you start. That is very very important. Okay, so you see name of your project is demo DBT and version 1.0. Okay, profile demo DBT, everything. And this will help you when you are creating a Snowflake or Redshift connectivity. Okay, that will help you. And another one is, okay, so here we have discussed everything, and readme just it will show you information. It will give you welcome to your DBT project using the starter project or DBT run. Okay, yeah, this one we need to run actually DBT run DBT run DBT. This is to run the command. Try to running the following commands. Hmm. Okay, so here you have all these things. Okay, so that is one thing. And then, okay, so I created this folder here. I mean, after when we installed and done, right? So what I have done, I have went to Visual Studio. This is just a third party layer. Okay, so even here itself you can run. It's not like that you cannot do, but what I'm going to ask you here is better install, okay, these things in the Visual Studio so that you will have all features easy. Sorry. And when go to the folder, I think I have added already. Let me check outline. Let me close this and I'll open again. Where is Visual Studio? Here. Hmm. Um, open folder. Okay, go here, otherwise click here. Okay, and open folder, select the open folder. And here I have this folder. And I'm selecting so that you can see all this here. Okay, so here you can find the same. Okay, whatever we have seen, right? So with the extension you can find. And now the other thing is what we need to do. Whatever you have created here, those details and all, right? We need to sync with our Git. Okay, that also we need to do. Hmm? So let me open here GitHub. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? హలో వేణు, డౌట్ ఉంటే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి మాట్లాడు. డౌట్ లేదనుకో మ్యూట్లో వెళ్ళు. ఏ సాయి,
భయ్యా
ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయినావు కదా కాల్ను?
అది అప్పుడు లేట్ అయింది భయ్యా, ఫస్ట్ కాల్ లో జాయిన్ అయినా కానీ ఇప్పుడు లేట్ అయింది.
ఎందుకు? పోయి లేట్ ఉంటే లేట్ అట్లనే చూసుకో, ఏమైనా పని ఉంటే. 6:30 అంటే 6:30 జాయిన్ అవ్వాలా. మీ నాయనకు వచ్చి చెప్తాలే. ఏమి మీ వాడు రెగ్యులర్గా జాయిన్ అవ్వట్లేదు అని చెప్తా. ఇప్పుడు అట్లనే కదా టీ దానికి వచ్చేది, చెప్తా. ఓకే, రైట్. Okay, so we need to first, if you don't have a GitHub, you need to sign up. Okay, already we have GitHub, right? Let me log in here. Um, uh, Sign in. That database password and click here. Okay. And I will create a one more repository and then I will sync it. Okay, we need to do cloning. Okay, so dbt how to add, let me check. Hmm? How to add, how to clone Windows folder to GitHub. GitHub for Windows, go first tool option here. Select your default storage directory. Now GitHub, if you click on clone and desktop button, okay, let me where is that? Oh, sorry, here, right? I will create one new folder. Okay, create a repository. One second. New, create a repository, demo underscore dbt. Okay, and then private, and here everything add a readme file. Okay, and everything, create repository. I created one more repository. Okay, and here, okay, so here I have a open with a get desktop. Okay, clone, yes. Okay, then this is the path I'm going to take, and open GitHub, clone using this URL. And here, let me go to the command prompt. Okay, yes, and then go back here, dot cd underscore demo dbt. Okay, and sorry, cd underscore demo dbt dir. Okay, now cloning, clone, how GitHub, clone path. Will it work or not? I don't know. Create a GitHub local repository URL, GitHub username repository, and local path of GitHub. No. Choose this clone repository. Here I have to go here. Okay, better and DBT and DBT this one. This is local path, and here DBT demo. Yes, okay, clone it. See, now I'm just cloning from my local folder, all folder to DBT. Okay, so now you see here where here. Okay, now refresh it once for, let me check repositories. Go to the repositories and do demo DBT. Okay, and demo DBT folder created. Why then? Where is this? Change here, open Visual Studio Code, video GitHub. Just checking, okay. I'm just trying to pull all this fetching, refreshing last. Open Studio, where is this file? DBT current repository, here, this one, yes, okay. And pull. Okay, we first of all we need to add these folders to GitHub. Okay, for that I need a command. Okay, so as of now we can stop here, and this cloning and all I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, because it will take some time to search actually the respective commands. Okay, so as I mentioned, right, you guys do step by step. Okay, I'll paste this one. These are all you copy and you try. In case if you face any problem, let me know in tomorrow's call. Okay, then I will help you. Copy paste if you want. Okay, these things, this will help you. Okay, I'm just stopping recording. Okay, yeah, tell me any questions now. Hello.